grown-ups, welcome back to Kidding Around. My name is Melanie Smith and this is your weekly update. This week your kids will see a Masterpiece Monday video, a Wanderlust Wednesday video, and a Fun Film Friday video. On Monday we'll be talking about the artist Yayoi Kusama and her beautiful infinity rooms. And then your kids will get to make their very own infinity room inspired by Kusama. On Wednesday, we'll be traveling to the country of Haiti, and your kids will learn about the tap-tap vans that get people all over the country. They are wildly patterned and vibrantly colored, and so your kids will first do a directed drawing to know how to draw the van, and then they will get to color and pattern their own tap-tap however they would like. And then on Friday, we'll be talking about the movie The Swiss Family Robinson, and your kids will get to make their very own stick raft. All of the materials required for all of these activities are listed below this video, and they're on the individual videos as well. Thank you so much. Have a great week.